Hello dental implant fans, Alina Naraki here from Dental Art San Diego in continuation of our discussion of all-on-4 dental implant option. And since all-on-4 dental treatment option is usually not covered by the dental insurance or not in its entirety, patients might want to look into the financing of different kinds. So in Dental Arts, we provide financing with the following companies: CareCredit, well known for veterinarian, for your eyes, for the dentist, and also HCR is another company that is very easy to work with. So if you do have further questions or would like to discuss your specific aspirations and financial desires, then please come and visit us and we will work out the financial option that would benefit you the most. Thank you so much for being with us today. That was Alina Naraki from Dental Arts San Diego. Please join us on the next one.